Okay. Oh my god, it's my first video!
Dad, you're making a YouTube channel? Dad?
Shut the fuck up! Okay, sorry everybody. Hello everybody, I hacked Luigi's channel because he hasn't been using it. Welcome to Super Family Friendly Explosion! We make 100% family friendly content on this fucking channel! So, just to get you started, what type of stuff will I be uploading? Well, first things first, I'm gonna be uploading totally original, never made before, Gmod animated content from my inspirations, SMG4, The Linear Thinker, One Sweat Willy Productions, and Buster Duck. So, I will be listing some of my best friends, The Linear Thinker and Buster Duck. Watch their channels! But most importantly, watch mine, because we're gonna be making a lot of super family friendly explosions! So watch my fucking videos, or I'll come to your house and kill your dog!